Ever wonder how to make morning assemblies more engaging for young children? How to transform them from mundane routines into vibrant, inspiring experiences? Today, we're exploring innovative and joyful ways to enhance morning assemblies in an English medium convent school for the primary section. To start, consider theme-based assemblies. Choosing a different theme for each day or week, such as kindness, friendship, nature, diversity, or historical figures, creates a dynamic and stimulating environment. Decorations, activities, stories, and songs can all revolve around this theme, sparking curiosity and engagement. Next, think about interactive storytelling. Replace traditional speeches with interactive stories that convey moral lessons or values. Props, costumes, or puppets can bring these stories to life, creating memorable experiences for the children. Role-playing and skits offer another exciting avenue. Students can express themselves creatively, embodying characters related to the day's theme, learning important concepts in a fun, interactive manner. But what would an assembly be without a bit of music and movement? Incorporating lively songs or chants not only uplifts the children's spirits, but also promotes positivity, teamwork, and self-confidence. Visual displays and props can also enhance the assembly environment. Student artwork, motivational quotes, or educational materials not only decorate the space, but reinforce the day's message as well. Guest speakers and performances add an extra dimension. Musicians, artists, performers, or speakers expose children to diverse perspectives and talents, inspiring them to explore their own passions. Hands-on activities are another great way to engage students. Science experiments, art projects, cultural demonstrations, these allow students to actively participate and learn through experience. And why not have student-led segments? This empowers students, giving them leadership roles and a sense of ownership over parts of the assembly. Announcements, poems, anecdotes, or project presentations can all be led by students. Celebrations and recognitions also have a place in assemblies. Recognizing student achievements, birthdays, or acts of kindness can foster a positive and supportive school culture. Interactive games and quizzes can bring a fun challenge to assemblies. Testing students' knowledge while encouraging participation can make learning fun, especially with small prizes or incentives up for grabs. Finally, consider holding outdoor assemblies occasionally. A change of scenery can be refreshing, and activities like yoga, meditation, or nature walks can promote mindfulness and well-being. In summary, by weaving together elements like theme-based content, interactive storytelling, role-playing, music, visual displays, guest speakers, hands-on activities, student-led segments, celebrations, games, and outdoor assemblies, morning assemblies can become vibrant, inspiring experiences. These methods engage and excite young children, instilling important values and routines in a joyful and innovative way. So, why not give these a try and see the magic unfold in your morning assemblies?